Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Benny Business Finance and Expense Management app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Benny is a business finance and expense management app designed to help companies and teams streamline budgeting, spending, and reimbursements. The platform allows users to track expenses in real time, organize receipts, automate approvals, and monitor company spending through a centralized dashboard. It's available on both iOS and Android and integrates with various accounting and business tools to simplify financial workflows. The app's main feature is its expense tracking system. Users can upload receipts, categorize transactions, and submit expense reports directly from their phone. Companies can set spending limits, automate policy rules, and manage team budgets with clear visibility. Benny also provides analytics to help businesses understand financial patterns and make data-driven decisions. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its intuitive interface, faster reimbursement workflows, and automated tracking tools. The ability to quickly scan receipts and sync transactions reduces manual work and helps teams stay organized. Managers also find value in the real-time budget oversight and approval controls that help prevent overspending. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional syncing delays with external platforms, and certain advanced automation features may require a subscription. A few reviewers also mention that the learning curve can be slightly steep for first-time business finance app users. Additionally, inconsistent mobile notifications may affect timely approvals. In summary, the Benny app may be worth using if you want streamlined expense reporting, clearer budget visibility, and automated financial workflows for your business. However, if your company prefers traditional bookkeeping methods or does not need advanced finance automation, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.